Hey, techies, welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. So, as you can see on the screen, I've been busy. I put together this AI Tools Jumpstart workshop. It's going to be September 18th, 3 p.m. You will have a hands-on workshop learning, mastering six, at least six AI tools. If you're still using ChatGPT mostly as a toy or to do writing and research, or you're not using any AI tools at all, I want you to know there is so much more you can do. And this workshop will focus on the things that business professionals do, the artifacts you need to create, like prototyping or like creating flows and slide presentations. And we'll do some work with documents too, but it'll be far beyond just writing assistance. Like how about reviewing the contract? You still have to read the contract, but at least you can get the summary or the highlights of what's in it and start to wrap your mind around it in a more digestible way. So it is going to be fun. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need any prior knowledge. Of course, you have to know how to use a computer. And speaking of computers, you definitely will need your computer for this event if you want to participate in a hands-on way. Because sometimes tools don't really operate well on a phone or other mobile device. So you definitely do need your computer. And in addition to your computer, you should show up logged into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, which I would be really surprised that you don't, but maybe you don't, you should get one because Google provides federated login to all of these tools. So it just makes things move faster and easier and more smoothly. So definitely bring your Google account. And then just bring yourself. Um, You can go to aitoolsjumpstart.eventbrite.com to register, and I hope to see you there. Bye. Okay. I said goodbye, but I'm back, right? Because I just want to talk to you a little bit more about why it's important to come to an event like this. AI is the great disruptor. Okay. This thing is bigger than when PCs started to be available at home. I shouldn't say PCs, computers started to be available at home. This thing is bigger than when the internet first came out. And I know a lot of you didn't live that experience, but some of you did. So you understand what I'm talking about. And if you don't know, ask your auntie. Okay. um, you know, with the job market being the way it is and this disruptor coming, you don't want to be on the back end of the curve. You want to be at the forefront. You don't want to put yourself in a catch up situation. I'm always talking about what can you do to make yourself a more attractive candidate? What can you do to help yourself in your career? Here's something you can do. And the reason why I have so many tools in a short space of time is because people don't get started with these tools because they can't find the time. Now, here you're going to have a big impact in a short period of time. And it sounds like a whirlwind, but it's really not. All the tools are really easy to use. Simple, straightforward. I give you the prompts. I failed to mention before that at the end, after the workshop is over, you'll get the tools and prompts cheat sheet that gives you all the tools we use, all the prompts we use with it. The other benefit you're going to get is you'll see how to write effective prompts. And at the end of the workshop, we'll have a little Q&A. So anything you want to ask, you can bring your questions. Um, it's going to be a good time. This is spending time. To me, learning something new is self-care, right? It's an investment in yourself. Um, it's something that you're doing for you and no one else. Don't wait for your employer to train you because they might not do it. Some employers have figured out, you know what? It's easier for us to hire people who already know the thing than to train the people who are here to know the thing, right? And so if you've been working somewhere for a while and you haven't gotten any training, it's time to start, because this is a thing that you do not want to be left behind on. Okay, that's it. That's all I had to say. Um, like the video, share the video. Come to the workshop. Go to check out my website, kaetalkstech.com, and then come on back here where we'll talk tech again. Bye. For real this time.